Hello people, so this is one of those videos that one makes just to say that basically I've taken up a new job, so making videos is like becoming such an effort. And here's my little kid, and it's a Sunday afternoon, and I'm about to again board the metro train where I find all my subscribers really. So because that's what Sunday afternoon is when my child I that's what I my child goes to be with his dad, and then I'll again see him only on a Friday afternoon. So Sunday afternoons I tend to be a bit low, but I guess that's life. So anyway, this is the love of my life, my kid, and so that's what this is, one of these impromptu videos just to say that uh, since I've begun work, recording is becoming a bit of a stretch, but yeah, whenever I find the time, because I love you folks, yeah, and I love these videos. So yeah, I'll get back to recording. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.